Is your person white?
No.
Dang, okay.
That's tough.
That upsets him.
All right.
That's tough. Wow.
Gunner.
It's getting zany up in here.
What is up, REKT family? It is too early in the dang morning. We're doing YouTuber Guess Who today. Everything for this video has already been like mailed to us. I ended up just ordering it online, but I ordered 100 count of shot glasses that are like plastic. I'm also gonna be printing out YouTuber pictures. So like Markiplier, PewDiePie, who are the other horrible YouTubers? I'm just kidding. They're great YouTubers. This is the 100 count shot glasses that I'm gonna put the YouTubers on, but I'm gonna spray paint them yellow just because I feel like it represents the game. Basically the way the game's gonna go, instead of flipping the players down when you don't think that the other person has them, we're gonna smash these cups instead of flip them down. Oh my gosh, we actually needed that.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm messing with you. You guys should have seen Mitch's face, dude. Chuck just informed me that this paint quite possibly could melt these cups. Why didn't you tell me that before?
Oh, hey Pat.
Make sure you don't show.
Hello. How are you today? Hope you're doing fine.
Watch out, the wind's gonna go right into that lens.
Where do you want me?
Right there, like over here.
Oh,
It's going. It's going that way. You're right.
opposite area.
Come over this side. Come over this side.
Okay.
Patrick, what did you come out here for?
Dog, I don't know.
Can you at least help me?
What do you want me to do?
Something other than edit. You're not doing a great job at that.
There. I helped. I'll actually
Appreciate it.
This is the most fun I've had at High Five
Did
Studios.
the Anna Kendrick song? The cup song?
The cups
Oh, dude, hold on. We about to get it. Ready?
Oh,
I really don't even know how to do it. That's gotta be a Guinness World Record of the smallest cup song ever done.
Dude, I actually practiced that for such a long time. It's not even. It's actually kind of sad. I'm a huge Pitch Perfect.
I haven't seen Pitch Perfect.
What? Okay.
Really?
You're lying.
I actually don't remember seeing it if I have.
Dog, Pitch Perfect's one of my favorite movies of all time.
Pitch Perfect is Pitch Perfect.
Dude, that was actually a beat though.
That was a beat.
You should have gave that to Mike.
That was
Dude,
a
give
beat.
this audio track to Mike. I'm not about this right now. I have golden.
You imitate
I look
SpongeBob
like.
all the time, and now you're turning into him.
I look like.
76, 79.
Don't tell me.
Wow,
were
you're good at
able to
math.
that quick.
Yeah, dude, 79. Do one more for 80. One more for
Will that
80.
satisfy your OCD?
Yes, actually.
I'll do one more for 80. That's your 80.
Dude, this is like SpongeBob's 21st birthday.
Alright, so now let's go print out the YouTuber pictures and tape them or glue them on these shot glasses.
Kid's an idiot.
Are you okay there, buddy? That hurt, dude. I hit my head on the chair.
How's this coming along?
Oh, it's so much
Great.
fun. Do you want to say hi to the viewers? Pat, can you be a tripod?
Whoa.
Pat, be a human tripod.
I got you. Ready?
Human tripod. Thanks, Pat. And point it down a bit. Yeah, we don't want the ceiling in our shot.
Okay, it's on my head. Okay, I'm done with this. That actually really hurt.
Could you put it over there? Change it to Thanks, Pat. You're the best. I'm done.
I think we're done. We finished the freaking shot glasses, so let's go and play some YouTube Guess Who. It's a little bit different than regular Guess Who because there's 3 players. I have to try and keep track of who your person is and who your person is at the same time. Do not smash a cup or eliminate a player until you're sure that it's neither of your guys' players. But you can only choose to ask one person to guess at one
Sounds good.
time.
And we'll let you guys know before we actually start who each of us picks. We'll show you on the camera secretly so you can follow along with us, all right? Connor, is your person white?
Yes. Is your person, Gunner,
Me? Okay.
a male?
Yes. Is your person white?
No.
Dang,
that's
That upsets him.
That's tough, dude. Wow.
Gunner.
It's getting zany up in here.
Is your person white?
Gosh.
It is?
Yeah.
All right.
you guys
So
ask me?
I'm going to get rid of KSI. I'm going to get rid of Liza Koshy. Superwoman.
Wait, what? I'm just kidding.
I was like, Niga Higa, you're gone, dog. Rice gum, gone. Guava juice, gone. Is Alex Wasabi white? I'm gonna crush him.
Go for it.
Mainly because Mitch told me I can. Mitch knows who everybody's is.
Oh, okay. Good.
Tanner. Is your person a male?
Yes.
That's all I need.
Dude, this is kind of difficult to keep crushing.
This person?
Who is it?
Ow.
Luya.
Luya, we're crushing Luya. We're crushing Liza. We're crushing Superwoman. Rachel. Justine just got
That's
me.
not Justine. It's Jenna Marbles.
Jenna Marbles.
Did you ask if mine was male?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did.
And you said
Did you lie?
Yes.
Huh?
Did you lie?
No.
Okay, good.
No, he's good. I'm just messing with him.
Oh, I was gonna say, like, you're getting me a little scared, a little nervous.
Okay, that's it. Dang, I forgot.
This is why
I gotta crush Matt too, dude. Got him! Don't fire him.
Matt, you're one
Does
hot
yours,
grill.
oh wait, no. Does your person have unnaturally colored hair?
I mean, any color is natural.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
some people are born with green hair.
Okay, answer the question.
Does your person have dyed hair?
My person does not have natural colored hair.
So, wait. So it's a yes for me. Wait.
Yes.
You just have to answer yes or no. You're confusing me.
Yes.
Yes, he has unnaturally dyed hair. Okay.
Yes.
Connor, does your person have glasses?
Yes.
Your person has glasses?
Yes, he
Good
does.
to know, good to know.
Does your person play video games for his YouTube career?
Oh, shoot. I don't know.
Look it up.
Who is it?
Look it up on YouTube.
Look it up on YouTube. And guys, while he's doing that, make sure you guys click that fat subscribe button down below, click the bell icon next to it, and get notified when we upload, because you never want to miss one of these bad boys.
Great job, Connor.
Watch me look up his content, and then all of a sudden a video auto plays.
Top of the morning to you, laddies.
No.
Top of the morning to you, that
No. No.
No.
Is your person male? Why do you have to look
Yes.
down?
Does your person got?
Yes?
Yes.
Your person's male?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I'm getting rid of Luya, Rachel, Jenna Marbles,
Bye, Jenna.
It's Mena Jarbles.
Superwoman.
Gunnar, does your person wear glasses?
No.
Oof. Okay.
Does your person have long hair?
Define long. There's like a lot
Longer
of
than your
mid-
hair. Does the person have hair longer than your own?
Longer than my hair?
Yes.
In the photo, it doesn't look like it, so no. Is your person Asian?
Yes. Why did you do the quotation mark?
Because I didn't know if it's
What we would call
Japanese,
Asian.
Japanese, Chinese. I'm just like, I don't know what.
All in
I know
Asia.
they're all Asian, but
Continent.
it's like, okay, is he Asian?
Yes.
Okay,
Dang.
okay.
Just got spicy.
Whoa. Okay, Mr.
see that?
Spits Alive.
I can crush some people real quick. Yours is not white, and his has colored hair. So I can eliminate everyone that is white or not Asian and doesn't have colored hair. So,
Down to a lot.
so I'm gonna go with REKT. I'm gonna get rid of REKT. Logan Paul, or not, sorry, Jake Paul. They're all the same to me. Logan Paul. Ow, that hurt. Justin Bieber. I should have got Liza Koshy earlier, but Liza Koshy. Matthias. I'm getting rid of Matthias. Getting rid of KSI. Link. Getting rid of Vsauce. Collins Key. PewDiePie. Beast. Mr. Beast. And the crazy Russian hacker. And I think I'm good.
Gunnar not knowingly gave me a lot of information, and I still get a question. Connor, is your person, and his has discolored hair.
I know Connor's person.
Great.
I know Connor's person
So
too.
great.
Oh, I know Connor's person.
Yeah,
my gosh.
I do too.
Who is my person?
Okay.
Do you want to consult?
It's Markiplier, right?
Markiplier.
Yeah.
Markiplier.
All right, my guess on you is Markiplier. So
Got
Connor's
him.
out. I'm getting rid of Markiplier.
Yep, getting rid of Markiplier.
That being said, Gunnar also said he didn't know what his character's content was. I know who you know certain characters' content is. So by having that logic, people like Logan Paul, Red
Crap.
Link, he both knows. For sure.
Dang it.
Also, he knows PewDiePie.
Dang it, dude.
He also knows Brandon Rogers. He also knows Jake Paul. He knows Justin Bieber. He knows Matthias.
I don't know what Justin Bieber makes now.
Who doesn't know Vsauce? If Gunnar doesn't know Vsauce, he's just crazy. And he knows Jacksepticeye because he said that his isn't a current gamer. He knows Mr. Beast as well. All right,
dude. Okay,
Oh,
we're
and he
close.
knows Jenna Marbles content.
It's a close game, dude.
Did you ask Gunnar if his was male?
Yeah, he said yes, it was.
Perfect. So
my gosh,
that
shut
also
up.
gets
Sorry,
rid
you
of
should know.
Shut up.
these two. That's down to 3 for you, Gunnar.
So can I break mine?
Yeah, go for it.
Go for it. Let me get out of the way though.
Yeah,
You might want to
don't
grab
hit mine.
grab your cups though.
Don't have mine. You got it. All right.
Thank you.
Does your guy currently have blonde hair?
No.
All right, so I'm gonna get rid of Alex Wasabi.
Oh,
Sorry.
I need work.
And Rudy Mancuso.
Wait, I asked Gunnar the glasses question. That's why I couldn't get away with it. So it's actually between these two. I'm gonna get rid of who this is. Sorry.
Come on, dude. Let's wait. Thank you.
It's Collins Key and Crazy Russian Hacker. I should just guess. Is yours Collins Key?
Yes. Dang it!
Yes.
Dang it! Dang
Let's
it!
kill them both.
All right, Gunner.
Mine was
Rice gum.
rice gum.
I knew it. Freaking.
Yo,
I
it's
knew
Cloud Gang. My in-game name for everything is Clout, so I had to go with my boy Cloud Gang. All right, guys, check out this video, and thank you for watching, Sarah. If you guys want to shout out just like her, check us out on Twitter and Instagram at High5Rekt. We love you. We'll see you later. Get wrecked.